Guys, I am back again with identifying research gap. Whenever you go for identifying your research gap, you should be clear in two concepts. The first one is you have to figure out your area of interest, and the second one is you have to focus and narrow down your topic. It is not an easy task, it is time demanding, but you should not get sidetracked. The next one is research gap. Any topic or area where you miss some information, that is, it lacks the ability to reach a conclusion, you will never get an appropriate answer for that question. That particular area which you come across is said to be as research gap. Remember guys, it is not an easy job to find this research gap. It is very difficult, it is time demanding, but you have to go with. Next, it is researchers. When you come across researchers, you have three types of researchers. The first one is you go for selecting a particular college, particular professor, you go accordingly with your professor. He or she will guide you, you work accordingly, and you produce results based on that. The next type of researcher goes with the environment. There are many environmental factors that influence the researcher. For example, the COVID status now may influence many researchers to go across this topic. Then, the next comes is our enthusiastic leader who reads. He goes reading, goes with the own topic, find answers for questions. Remember guys, when you go for reading, read introduction first and then suggestion for feature. Introduction let you know why the researchers. If it is okay, then go for systematic and technical analysis. Systematic is purely evidence based, and when you come across technical, it is other factors such as people, intervention which comes across. Now where to find all these informations? Go for key concepts in websites and state of art. Key concepts gives information about particular topic. State of art gives the generalized information. Now there are some tools and websites which might help you in finding the research gap. Remember guys, tools, when you go for using these tools, it is morely a sophisticated tool to get your research gap. Now when you have identified your research gap, you have done at last. Thank you guys. Subscribe and wait. See you again.